Felony assault charges are very serious. They're punishable by prison time and more often than not involve some sort of a weapon or what's called a dangerous instrument or a dangerous instrumentality. If any of these sort of weapons are involved, one can expect felony charges. There are fewer programs in prison or fewer opportunities in prison for a person to get out of prison early. A person who's convicted of what's called a violent crime, a VFO, person who's made to be what's called a violent felony offender, has fewer chances and opportunities to reduce his time in prison. When the person is subsequently released on parole, their supervision is often stricter. If the person violates the parole or is accused of violating parole, the punishments will be harder. The way a person defends a felony assault case is you have to put the work in the beginning. And by that I mean one should hire a private investigator to try to find out what happened at the scene of the crime, track down witness statements, obtain witness information. These things can happen very quickly because once a complaining witness makes a complaint to the police, if nobody makes an attempt on the defense side to contact that person or to contact the witnesses that happened, then the only person the only people that the potential witnesses have contacted or have been contacted by are the prosecutor's office. So naturally what happens is they build an affinity with the prosecutor's office and they don't want to talk to anybody else. So it's so important that if you're charged with a felony assault that you hire a competent criminal defense lawyer right away who has the resources to find a private investigator, to go out, to do interviews with potential witnesses before the potential witnesses have moved on from the case or have decided to strictly speak with the prosecutor's office about it.